This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Strong, durable, and dependable. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a 4-speed automatic transmission, creates ample amounts of power whether you're towing or just driving around. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are an auto-dimming rearview mirror, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, door reinforcement beams, power child safety door locks, and this automobile's stylish design always looks great. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
All of us at Rich Ford are committed to serving our friends and customers and looking forward to hearing from you. We're located at 8601 Lomas Boulevard Northeast in Albuquerque. Please call us at 800-920-0728.